Okay, this is to answer a quick question about the shirt. Why the shirt? Okay, so I got this shirt on a trip to Malaysia, and it's a dragon shirt. All kinds of lucky symbols. Dragons, lucky coins, all the good fortune, auspicious symbols. Why am I wearing it? This year, 2024, is the year of the dragon. I am born in the year of the wood dragon. This is the year of the wood dragon. Only happens, the animal plus the element, only happens every 60 years. So you know how old I am. That's why I'm wearing the shirt. Also to identify videos that I made during this year. Lucky shirt, lucky year.